Hi and welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up flat rate shipping for your FastHost e-commerce website builder store. So just to confirm before we go any further, this video is to set up flat rate shipping. So this isn't free delivery over a certain amount or anything like this. This is a flat rate option that you can set for all orders regardless of the amount of money that the customer has spent. So first up, if you do want to if you do want to offer that as an option, like free shipping over a certain amount, I've got a different video on that. We can link in the description. But for now, let's set up flat rate shipping. So if we go to shipping and pickup, and I'm logged into my store here, so in my FastHosts package, if we go to shipping and pickup, and we need to add shipping. And you need to choose a shipping method. At the moment, I've got Royal Mail set up, so I'm going to choose them. But obviously, if you're using a different courier, then you need to set that up. And again, we've got different guides on how to do that. So if we set up Royal Mail here and go down to flat rate, like I say, there is free shipping, conditional free shipping, and automatically calculated rates. We've got those in different guides too, and I'll link some of those in the description too. So set up flat rate. So first up, we've got to give it a name at the checkout, and we're just going to leave that as standard shipping, seems sensible. And then you've got the shipping rate. So what we can do is we can have it as an amount, which is just a set monetary amount, or we can have it as a percentage of their total order. So if they'd spent £10 and you had it as 10%, their shipping would be £1. But we're going to have it as an amount, as that's generally the more common amount. So let's go with £3.99. And we can add a description for customers, which is really useful just so we can kind of tell them a bit more about that particular flat rate shipping option. I'm not going to go into too much detail now, fairly self-explanatory. Limit availability by order subtotal. So you can have this that they have to order a certain amount. So say for example, if they have to spend £30 to qualify for this standard shipping. Again, for a flat rate, we typically leave this as 0, but you can change that if you want to. Next up, show estimated delivery date. So this is always a useful thing so customers can see their different options. They know roughly how long it's going to be before they receive their order. So we've got the estimated transit time. So this would be the time from when you've given the parcel over to Royal Mail, how long it's going to take them to then deliver it to your customer. So second class is 3 to 5 days, generally speaking. So we're going to put that. And then you've got the order preparation time. So how long it's going to take you from receiving the order to actually giving it to the courier. So let's go 2 days for that. So when your customer's on the checkout, they're going to see roughly it could take them up to sort of 7 working days to get that. Another useful thing you can do here is days when you pack orders. Again, just to help this calculation. So if you don't work at the weekend, you can put that and you can specify the days, but you can put your working days in. So if someone orders on a Friday night after 4 o'clock on this, and they know that your website will know it's not going to get started processing till Monday morning. And again, a pack orders received past this time of this would be the next day. So again, it's just calculating. So any orders placed after 4 o'clock, it would know it's going to be 2 days after that, the next day, basically. Quite a lot of options in there. It's only ever going to be an estimate, but it just helps your customers understand roughly how long it's going to be before before their order receives. Now you can set a shipping region as well. If you're just shipping within the UK, generally it's going to be all destinations. But if you want to do change it based on location, you can do. Or if you've got if you're shipping abroad or anything like that, you can do a zone on a map. Where you basically just draw a map. Again, we've got a guide available on how to set that up properly. And you can do advanced settings. So you can completely limit this to anywhere on the planet if you like, setting those options. But again, they're fairly self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. So if we click save and finish on there, that has been enabled there. If we want to disable it, so we don't want it visible anymore, but we want to keep it, we could disable it. And as you can see at the moment, it's worth noting that the shipping region default is the world. So you would want to make sure you're setting those regions if you're only delivering within the UK. And that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye for now.